I just wanna be loved.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video where I open a mystery makeup package from a YouTuber. I thought that this would be a fun video. One of my friends here on YouTube did send me a package with some makeup. And without further ado, if you'd like to see what is in this package, then just keep on watching. So my friend Mirella, why can't I speak? I've been having a bit of an off day, so if you feel like I'm off, I am. So one of my friends here on YouTube, her name is Mirella Belle Beauty on YouTube, and I will have that link down below if you are interested in checking out her channel. She does similar videos to mine, like makeup reviews, stuff like that. And she was so nice. I can't even believe that she did this. She was so nice to put together this package for me, and nobody has ever done that for me before, and I was like screaming. The story is actually she wrote that she might as well give away her highlighters because she never wears them, and I was like,
hello, ma'am, I'm actually taking some donations right now for some highlighters if you'd like to donate.
And then I was like, just trolling the internet like I always do, like, she actually DM'd me and was like, hey, what's your address? And I was like, sobbing. So that's basically how all my human interactions go in social situations. But let's just go ahead and open this because it's been sitting for far too long and I would like to see what's in it. Oh, it's in this cute little bag. I swear this is like what Glossier packages their packages. I love these little bags. Oh, it broke. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's see. First thing I pulled out is this Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow product. It looks like, oh, so it's kind of like, it's a brow gel. It looks kind of like the Benefit, what's it called? Gimme Brow. So it comes with a little wand. Let's see what color this is. Is this gonna match me? Hello? Ooh. So this is what the little wand looks like if my camera would stop not focusing. But I don't have any colored brow gels. I only use a clear one. So this looks like it's gonna match my brows too. Oh, she sent me a Luminous blur stick. Oh. Can I not? Ooh, oh, I already have this, but I would always use another one. This is what it looks like, and I actually have a review on this if you'd like to check it out wherever it may be linked. I like this. Thank you. What else is in here? Oh, a Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator. Okay, let's check this out. Laura Geller highlights are bomb. So let's see here. Hello, camera. Oh, hello. Ooh, look at that shine. Ooh, let's watch it. So it does look to be a bit more glittery, but I have never had an issue with that. The other color looks like it might be a little bit of like a bronze or like blush topper. So, hello. This doesn't focus. So that is kind of glittery, and then this looks kind of more like a bronze or blush topper for me. But I actually do like this glittery one. That's pretty. So the next thing I pulled out is the Model's Own Lip Plumper, and I don't have money for lip fillers, so thank you. I hope this is good. I'm always looking for a good lip plumper. I'll mess with that later. I can't open it right now. This, I swore, was a Domino's seasoning thing. I eat too much pizza, please help me. Anyways, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Overnight Gel Mask, and this one is a Deep Clean Purifying Wash Off Clay Mask. Okay, I'm really excited about this one because I have extremely dry skin and I need to hydrate very much, so I'm excited about those. Ooh, I see a Coverfx thing. Coverfx Illuminating Primer. I love Coverfx. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, it feels so smooth. Oh. Smells like regular primer. I don't know what I was waiting for. I'm so hot. Ooh, I saw Jackie's video on these, and this was the color that I wanted. It's the new Maybelline Python, is that what they're called? Yeah, Python lip, metallic lip kit. So basically, you just have like an eyeshadow on one side. Well, not eyeshadow. So basically, it has this little sleeve. And then the product looks like this. There's a lipstick on one side and then kind of like a cream eyeshadow type formula on the other side, and you're supposed to like pat it on and make lip art. I'm excited. And I got another one, and this one is in the like purpley and like pearl kind of color. I am always down for some good lip art. I am really excited to try this green and gold one because for me, I'm always down to wear a nude lip or green or blue. It's never really anything in between. It's always nude, blue, or green. Ooh, another Coverfx primer. Mattifying primer. This is great because I do get oily right here and on my chin, so I do put a mattifying primer on those two areas. And this has anti-acne treatment too, if you are looking for that. Ooh, I love Coverfx primers. Ah, blurring primer. Oh my god. This one's in the box. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes. I can use this on my giant pores. Yes, spoiling me with the primers. Oh, let's see some lipsticks. Look at that. Maybelline gold lipstick. Yes. This next one, oh, that one was called Pure Gold. This one is Molten Bronze. It's another shimmery, except this one's like a bronze color. This one is Smoked Silver. Ooh, it's kind of like a lavender. And then this one is metallic. Oh, it's called Gunmetal. Oh, this one's like a navy blue. Yes. Pigment. And it's like kind of shimmer, you can see that. Right, what else do we have in here? Oh, what is this? Ooh, Ciate South Beach. A bronzer. I love bronzer. Ooh. Ooh, we have a palette. Coastal Scents Painted Lady. Ooh, this olive green. Oh, I am on the hunt for the perfect matte olive green. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. That's like the perfect like shimmery olive green. All right, all right. I mean, I will admit that when I pulled this out, I had some doubts, but that's really pretty. Imagine that with this shadow on the lid. That's beautiful. All right, we have a few more things in here. This is the Lottie London Shimmer Quad. Ooh, I've been wanting to try some stuff. I love some colored highlights. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. I love, like, my favorite is pink colored highlights because they're just so pretty. She sent me an Artist Couture mini size highlight. Yes. This one is in Illuminati. Okay. I've never had any of these. Oh my gosh. So shiny. I'm gonna use this every day. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the last thing is a Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Gubby. Reminds me of Gibby for my Carly. This looks like a pretty good nude. Ooh, nude, peachy nude. Okay, and that was everything that was in this mystery bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thought it was like a fun little different idea. It reminds me when YouTubers used to do like the swap bags where they'd each send each other a bag and then you'd open it on camera and see what they sent you. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much, Mirella, for sending me this package. It is so greatly appreciated. You don't even know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.